Good job. Look, now you're watching yourself. It's like looking in a mirror. No, I was going for my phone. You are a technological wizard. Look. Look. Who's that? You just pressed a picture of yourself. Baby. Oh. You just took a picture of yourself. You take another one? Can you take another one? Can you take one of me and Mommy? Press it. You want to see what I'm videoing? See, look, now I'm videoing. No, you don't get to put this in your mouth.